Hello, it's standard students. How are you all? Okay, so here I'm gonna start the question number 4 from the same practice set, which is practice set 10.2. The question number first and some examples what we saw in our previous video. Am I right? Okay, so here I'm gonna start with question number 4, that is 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 divided by 2m minus 1. As I told you, we have to arrange this polynomial term in a descending order. Have you remember this? Yeah. So first see 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9. Already this is given in a descending order. How? See the powers 3, 2, 1, 0. Am I right? So this is given already in a descending order. So start to divide it. See the solution. Make a division symbol. Write 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9. It will be your dividend, and 2m minus 1, it will be your divisor. Achha, one more thing, if this will be given as 1 minus 2m, so this will be not in series, or this is not a series of binomial term, because after this after this term where the coefficient and variables are given together, after this term you have to write the single digit numbers. Okay, so you have to arrange it first as well. So 2m minus 1, this is given, right? Write it. Now start to divide it. The first term of the divisor with the first term of this dividend. This is 2m, this is 2m cube. 2 ones are 2, and this is m power 1, and this is m cube. It means we have to write 2 ones are, so no need to write 1, or you can write, okay, I'm writing here 1 m. This is m1. Here we have to take m square, then we can write 2m cube. Why? Because this 2 plus this 1, it will become 3, and it's completing our the degree of this term. Am I right? Then this is already given with the plus, take minus, plus minus minus, both term will get cancelled, or you can write 0. Then the next, you have to multiply the second term of the divisor with the first term of this quotient. Then 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 m square, and this is already given with this m square. It means 1 m square, that is m square. No need to write 1. Nothing is there as a coefficient means 1 is there. Remember this. Nothing is there as a coefficient, it means 1 is there. As I took, see, 2 ones are 2. If you will not write this 1, this will be okay, or you don't have to write actually. Then 1 m ones are 1 m square, then minus plus minus. Just put concentration on the symbols to minus plus, because you are multiplying, it means you have to multiply both the symbols as well. Minus plus minus. Then you have to take the opposite sign of it. This is minus, you have to take the plus. Then plus 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 1 m square plus 1 m square, it will become 2 m square, and the sign of this plus. Then what next? 2m square plus m plus 9, that you have to write as it is. Now start to divide with the 2m square again. This is 2m and this is 2m square. Okay, so can we divide this 2m square by this 2m? Yes. 2 ones are 2, that you have to write plus 2 ones are, no need to write 1 in the coefficient, in the quotient, sorry. So because this 2m and this 2m square, 2 ones are 2, here 1m is given, here m square is given. It means we have to write m in the quotient, 1m plus 1m, 2m, and 2 ones are 2, that is 2m square, plus plus plus, and take the opposite sign of this end, it will be minus, and multiply this both sign, plus minus minus, it will get cancelled, or you can write 0 in remainder. Then the next is what? You have to multiply the second term of the divisor with the second term of the quotient. So 1 m ones are 1 m, that you have to write 1 m. No need to write 1, as I told you. 1 m ones are 1 m, minus plus minus. See, plus minus minus, it means both term will get cancelled, and you can write 0, or no, sorry, both term will not be cancelled. Why? See, Here we have to take opposite sign, no? Minus, this is plus. Then plus 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 1m plus 1m, 2m, and the sign will be positive. 2m plus 9. Now start with the 2m again. 2m multiplied by m. 2m multiplied by m. Or divide this 2m with this 2m. So 2m ones are 2m. Am I right? Plus plus plus. You have to write plus. 2m ones are 2m. Here there is no power at this m. It means 1 is there. And here it has also 1 power. So we don't have to write any variable in the quotient. Am I right? If you will take m with this one, so this m and this m will become m square, and here m is given, so we don't have to write any m in the quotient. So 2m ones are 2m, and the opposite sign of this plus is minus, and plus minus minus. It means both will get cancelled, and the next term is what? 1 ones are 1, plus minus minus, 1 ones are 1, and the opposite sign of it plus plus plus. You have to multiply this both and plus plus plus. So 10 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, so this will be your remainder. Write the quotient. Your quotient will be m square plus m plus 1. See the arrangement of powers, 2, 1, 0. Am I right? It means your quotient is right and your remainder is 10. Now don't forget to write the explanation. Have you have to write the explanation? First term of the divisor with the first term of the quotient, then both term of the divisor with the first term of the quotient, both term of the divisor with the second term of the quotient, and both term of the divisor with the third term of the quotient. So 2m minus 1 multiplied by m square. 2m minus 1 multiplied by m square is equal to 2m square multiplied by m square, 2m cube. In multiplication, power should be added, minus m square multiplied by 1, that is m square. See where you get this? 2m cube minus m square. Am I right? Okay, then next 2m minus 1 multiplied by m is equal to 2m multiplied by m, 2m square minus 1m, m multiplied by 1, that is m. Where is that? See, 2m square minus m, 2m square minus m. It means your division is absolutely correct, and 2m minus 1 multiplied by third term of the quotient, that is 1, is equal to 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is 2m minus 1. See where you get this? 2m minus 1. So this is the division of question number 4. How to divide the polynomial term with the binomial, and you have to write the quotient, remainder, and explanation as well. Hope you understand this. So try to solve this question in your notebook.